what's going on? Vegas Cadillac here, and to be honest, I already had a pre-made video for this week, but today's Sunday Fun Day was crazy. It was fast ass cars, and I'd rather post that content of today than the content I was gonna post from like days adding up. Cause today was actually dope as fuck. A lot of nice ass shit, a lot of fast ass shit, a lot of close ass races, and I feel like this would be a lot better content video for you guys to watch, I promise you.
You see me starting to pull him in and bump in, you should start getting on your two-step. And then I will know when both cars are ready.
You give him a thumbs
As soon as he bumps in and he's good, I'll go like that. That's it. And then you have, I'm not gonna point. You
You're
have
just
to hit
gonna
it.
take off.
I'm just gonna go like that. We're ready. That's it. We're ready. You have 4 seconds to go.
I don't even know what the fuck we're doing, but let's do it.
Alright.
Alright.